The only way to learn mathematics is to practice it. Mathematics of life teaches us to add the opportunities, subtract the errors, multiply the victories, divide the obstacles. Integrate your caliber, differentiate your weakness, and simplify the life struggle to solve your life problems. A very good evening to everyone, and I extend a warm welcome to our Rector Father Jules Philip S.J., Principal Father T.J. Jules S.J., Vice Principal Mr. K.J. Devasya, Assistant Headmistress Mrs. Mona Ray, staff members, parents, and my dear students. I welcome you all to the Maths Virtual Quiz 2021, and I congratulate all the teams who have made it to the final round. Before we begin the quiz, let me introduce you with the team members who will be assisting me for the smooth functioning of this online event. We have Mrs. Sunanda Sharma as the timekeeper,
Good evening, everyone.
Mrs. Nishtha Sharma as the scorekeeper,
Good evening, everyone.
Mrs. Sapna Berry who will assist us with the visual round,
Good evening, everyone.
Mr. Karthik Bhardwaj for the technical support,
Good evening, all.
and I, Nitika Thakur, will be your virtual quiz master for this evening. Now, let us meet our teams. I would request the participants of each team to introduce themselves, starting with Team A. Children, please be loud. Participant A1, kindly introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Adya Sinha from class 2A.
Very good. Participant A2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Prav Chand. I am from class 2A.
Very good. Participant A3.
Good evening, everyone. I am Rishon Pramod from class 2A.
Very good. Very good, Team A. Participants from Team B. Participant B1.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Pratyush Kumar from class 2B.
Very good. Participant B2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Cohen Morris Patrick from class 2B.
Very good. Participant B3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Pratyush Joshi. I am from class 2B.
Very good. Team B. Participants from Team C. Participant C1.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vyan Sharma from class 2C.
Very good. Participant C2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Chehek from 2C.
Very good. Participant C3. Participant
Good
C3.
evening, everyone. My name is Akshay Shukla from class 2C.
Very good. Very good, Team C. Moving on to Team D. Participant D1.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Siddhi Gaur from class 2D.
Very good. Participant D2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kavya Sharma from class 2D.
Very good. Participant D3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Viraj. I am from class 2D.
Very good. Participant from Team D. Moving on to Team E. Participant E1.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nathania and Vinod. I am from class 2E.
Very good. Participant E2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shara Ramesh from class 2E.
Very good. Participant E3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Samriddhi and I am from class 2E.
Very good, Team E. Team F. Participant F1.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sanjay Teotia from class 2F.
Very good. Participant F2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Pranil Button from class 2F.
Very good. Participant F3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shaurya Pengani from class 2F.
Very good. Thank you, participants. All the very best to each one of you. Now, let me introduce you all to the various rounds. There will be 4 rounds, 2 direct rounds, 1 direct visual round, and 1 rapid fire round. I will tell you the rules before each round begins. Questions will not be passed to any other team. Prompting of answers will disqualify the team. When you give the answers, you have to look into the camera and not look around. So here we begin with our first round. The rules of this round are as follows. This is direct round 1. Time given to answer is 10 seconds. Each question carries 10 points. This round is for the first participant of every team. So participant number 1 of all the teams, please be ready. Participant A1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Very good. Your question is, the dash sides of a rectangle are equal.
Odd.
Well tried, but the correct answer is opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Moving on to participant B1. Participant B1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Very good. Your question is, set square is an example of dash shape.
Triangle.
Very good. Correct answer. You get 10 points for this. Participant C1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Very good. Your question is, the shape of a 100-rupee note is dash.
Rectangle.
Can you repeat your answer?
Ma'am, rectangle.
Okay, rectangle. Yes, rectangle is the correct answer. You get 10 points for this. Very good. Participant D1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
The question is, a shape with no vertex.
Vertex. Repeat.
A shape with no vertex.
Circle.
Very good. That's the correct answer. You get 10 points for this. Participant each one, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your question is, a shape with 3 vertices.
Triangle.
Very good. That's the correct answer. You get 10 points for this. Participant F1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your question is, a square has dash equal sides.
4 sides.
Very good. A square has 4 equal sides. Very good. Participant F1, you get 10 points for this. With this, we come to an end of our first round. Very well done, students. You all have performed very well. Now, let's begin with our second round. Rules of this round are as follows. This is direct round 2. Time given to answer is 10 seconds. Each question carries 10 points. This round is for participant number 2 of all the teams. So participant number 2 of all the teams, please be ready. Participant number A2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Very good. Your question is, the next even number after 28 is dash.
30.
Yes, 30 is the correct answer. You get 10 points for this. Very good. Participant number B2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your question is, the next odd number after 19 is dash. The next odd number after 19 is dash.
Time out, Nitika ma'am.
21.
Sorry, the time is over now, so we cannot give you any points for this. Well, try. Moving on to participant number C2. Participant C2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
The next even number after 20 is dash.
22.
Very good. You get 10 points for this. Well done. Participant D2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
The question is, which number comes in between 799 and 801? You have to look into the camera. Time is running short.
Time out, Nitika ma'am.
Sorry, we cannot give any points for this. Better luck next time. Moving on to participant number E2. Participant E2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your question is, the next number after 299 is dash.
300.
Very good. Correct answer. You get 10 points for this. Participant number F2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Very good. Which number comes before 600?
599.
Very good. That's the correct answer. You get 10 points for this. Very well done, all the participants. You all have performed very well. With this, we come to an end of our round 2. Moving on to our next round, that is the visual round. The rules of this round are as follows. It is a direct visual round. A picture will be shown on the screen. Third participant of each team will be asked a question. Time given to answer is 10 seconds. Each question carries 10 points. So participant number 3 of all the teams, please be ready. Participant number A1, participant number A3, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
May I now request Sapna ma'am to finally display the first visual for team A, participant A3.
Sure, ma'am.
Participant A3, your question is, which color balloon is at the third place?
Ma'am, yellow.
Yes, yellow is the correct answer. Yellow color balloon is at the third place. Very good. You get 10 points for this. Participant B3, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Visual for participant B3. Your question is, which color flower is at the fifth place?
Ma'am, blue.
Yes, correct answer. Blue color flower is at the fifth place. Very well done. You get 10 points for this. Participant number C3, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Please play that visual for participant C3. Participant C3, your question is, the number of alphabets given above are 9 or 9th?
Ninth.
Participant A,
Time out,
C3.
Nitika ma'am.
Participant C3, we were found discussing, looking around here and there, so we will not give you marks for this. So participant C3, you get no points for this. You have to look into the camera while answering your question. But the correct answer was 9. Yes, the alphabets were 9. Moving on to the next participant, participant D3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Please display the visual for participant D3. The question is, black color circle is at the dash place.
Ninth.
Participant E3, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Visual for participant E3. Your question is, in the word rainbow, letter N is at the 4th place or 4th place?
4th place.
Very good. Well done. That's the correct answer. Letter N is at the 4th place. You get 10 points for this. Participant number F3, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Visual for participant F3. Your question is, mango fruit is at the 2nd or 2nd place?
Second place.
Very good. Mango fruit is at the 2nd place. Very well done. You get 10 points for this. Very well done, participants. You all have performed really well. Thank you, Sapna ma'am, for the visual round.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Moving on to our next round, that is the 4th round. Rules of this round are as follows. This is a rapid fire round. 3 questions will be asked from each participant. Time given to answer is 30 seconds. Each question carries 10 points, so total 30 points. You have to answer 3 questions in 30 seconds. If you do not know the answer, just say pass. So all the participants, please be ready. Participant A1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Participant A1, your questions are, what is the smallest 3-digit number? If you don't know, say pass.
100.
Correct. 7 nines are
33.
incorrect. Nikhil has 15 roses. He gave 4 roses to his friend. How many roses are left with him?
11.
Very good. Very well done. Participant A1, you gave
Time out,
2 correct answers. So you scored 20 points. Very well done, participant A1. Moving on to the next participant, participant A2. Participant A2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Very good. Your questions are, 1 less than 50 is
1 less than 50. 49.
correct. 3 fours are
3 fours are 12.
a girl has 16 pencils. Her mother gave her 5 more pencils. How many pencils are there in total?
Okay. 20.
Sorry, that's not the correct answer. You have given 2 correct answers. The correct answer for this is she has 16 pencils. Her mother gave 5 more pencils. So the correct answer is 21 pencils. Very well done, participant A2. Moving on to our next participant, participant A3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Very good. Your questions are, short form of 20 plus 3 is?
Ma'am, 23.
Very good. 9 into 9.
81, ma'am.
Correct. Rima has 10 blue stones and 6 yellow stones. How many stones are there in total?
Ma'am, 16.
Correct. You have participant A3, you have given all the correct answer. Very well done. You scored 30 points. So very good, team A. You all have performed really well. Moving on to our next team, that is team B. Participant B1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Very good. Participant B1, your questions are, what is the smallest two-digit number?
10, ma'am.
Correct. 6 6 are?
36.
Correct. Neha has 11 colors. She gave 3 colors to her friend. How many colors are left with her?
8.
Very good. That's the correct answer. So participant B1, you have given all the correct answers. So you scored 30 points. Very well done. Participant B2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your questions are 400 minus 0.
400.
Correct. 5 8s are?
40.
Correct. Rahul has 10 math books and 9 story books. How many books he has in total?
20.
Sorry, that's not the correct answer. The correct answer is 19 books. He has 10 maths books, 9 story books. So total books, 19 books. Participant B2, you have given 2 correct answers. So you get 20 points. Moving on to participant B3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your questions are 5 tens plus 2 ones. If you don't know, say pass.
Ma'am, 15.
Incorrect. 9 6 are?
54.
Correct. Seema has 15 mangoes and 5 apples. How many fruit does she have in total?
20.
Correct. Very well done, participant B3. You have given 2 correct answers. 5 tens plus 2 ones is equals to 52. So you score 20 points. Very well done, team B. Moving on to our next team, that is team C. Participant C1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your questions are, 1 less than 30 is dash.
29.
Correct. 7 6 are?
42.
Correct. Rita has 8 red mugs and 3 blue mugs. How many mugs are there in total?
11.
Correct. So participant C1, you have given all the correct answers, so you scored 30 points. Moving on to the next participant, participant C2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your questions are, the answer of addition is called?
Ma'am, pass.
3 nines are?
3 nines are 27.
Correct. A boy has 20 pens. He gave 5 pens to his sister. How many pens are left with him?
15.
Correct, 15 pens. So participant C2, you have given 2 correct answers. The answer of addition is called sum. So participant C2, you get 20 points. Very well done. Participant C3, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your question are, what is the expanded form for 44? If you do not know, say pass.
Pass.
4 nines are
4 nines are 4 nines are
If you do not know, say pass.
36.
Correct.
Nitika ma'am.
Sorry, the time is over. You have given answer for 2 questions, but only one are correct. Question number 3, he couldn't answer was, Ankit has 20 bottles. Out of these 6 bottles were broken. How many bottles are left? So the answer will be 14 bottles. Moving on to the next participant. Moving on to the next team, Team D. Participant D1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Very good. Participant D1, your questions are, the sum of 70 and 9 is
16,
incorrect. 5 fives are
25,
correct. Sia has 10 green plates and 7 yellow plates. How many plates are there in total?
ma'am, repeat.
Sia has 10 green plates and 7 yellow plates. How many plates are there in total?
17.
17 plates the correct answer. So participant D1, you have given 2 correct answers and 1 incorrect answer. The sum of 70 and 9 is 79. So participant D1, you get 20 points.
Okay.
Very well done. Participant D2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your questions are, the answer of subtraction is called? If you don't know, say pass. If you don't know, say pass.
Ma'am, minus.
Okay, minus is the sign, but the answer is different. 8 nines are
75.
Time out,
incorrect.
Nitika ma'am.
Participant D2, the answer of subtraction is called difference. And you said minus. So minus is the sign of subtraction. The answer is difference. And 8 nines are is 72. Participant, moving on to the next participant, participant D3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your questions are 9 tenths plus 0 ones.
90,
Correct. 6 nines are
54,
correct. Sham has 8 plants. His friend gave him 5 more plants. How many plants are there in total?
13,
Correct. 13 is the correct answer. Participant D3, you have given all the correct answers. So you get 30 points for this. Very well done, Team D. Moving on to our next team, Team E. Participant E1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your questions are 899 plus 1.
900,
Correct. 7 threes are
21,
correct. Sanvi has 11 boxes. His friend gave 5 more boxes. How many boxes are there in total?
16,
Correct. Participant E1, very well done. You have given all the correct answers. So you scored 30 points. Moving on to the next participant, participant E2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your questions are, the sum of 90 and 10 is?
100.
Correct. 9 fives are?
45.
Correct. Geeta has 12 chips packets. She ate 3 out of them. How many packets are left with her?
8.
Sorry, that's not the correct answer. So participant E2, you have given 2 correct answers. So you get 20 points. Very well done, participant E2. Moving on to the next participant, participant E3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Very good. Your questions are, what is the largest 3-digit number?
Ma'am, 900.
Incorrect. 2 nines are
18.
correct. Payal has 20 black clips and 5 blue clips. How many clips does she has in total?
25.
Correct. So participant E3, you have given 2 correct answer. The largest 3-digit number is 999. So you get 20 points. Participant E3, you get 20 points. Very well done, team E. Moving on to our next team, that is team F. Participant F1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Very good. Participant F1, your questions are 199 plus 1.
200.
Correct. 3 eights are
24.
correct. Rima has 7 red flowers and 7 blue flowers. How many flowers does she has in total?
14.
Correct. 14 flowers. So participant F1, you have given all the correct answers. So you scored 30 points. Very well done, participant F1. Participant F2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Your questions are, what is the largest 2-digit number?
999.
Incorrect. 7 sevens are
49.
correct. Aryan has 10 balls. He gave 2 balls to his friend. How many balls are left with him?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again?
Aryan has 10 balls. He gave 2 balls to his friend. How many balls are left with him?
8.
Correct. 8 is the correct answer. Participant F2, you have given 2 correct answers. So you scored 20 points. The largest 2-digit number is 99. Well done, participant F2. Moving on to the next participant, participant F3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Your questions are, 5 less than 15 is
10.
correct. 4 fives are
20.
correct. Ram has 7 apples. His mother gave 5 more apples. How many apples does he have in total?
12.
Correct. Very well done. Participant F3, you have given all the correct answers. With this, we come to an end of our last round of Maths Virtual Quiz 2021. You all students, you all have done very well. Now, I would request Sunanda ma'am to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Nitika ma'am. Gratitude is one of the least articulate of the emotions, especially when it is deep. A warm and graceful evening to everyone. So we have reached the end of this fantastic quiz. I would like to congratulate all the winners and the participants for giving their best. It gives me immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for today's program. First of all, I would like to extend a special thanks to Rector Father Jose Philip for blessing us with his presence and supporting our dear participants. I also wish to express my gratitude towards Principal Father T.J. Jose for always being an inspiration and source of motivation for all of us. Thank you, Father, for providing our children with this virtual platform in such difficult times to boost their confidence and motivating them for the same. We have been fortunate enough to be assisted by Mona ma'am, who has been a constant support, and under her guidance and planning, we have successfully completed today's program. A special thanks to the quiz master, Mrs. Nitika Tekar, for her efforts toward conducting the quiz wonderfully. I extend my sincere thanks to our team members, Mrs. Nishta Sharma, Mrs. Sapna Berry, and Mr. Kartik Bhardwaj for their efforts and cooperation in making this event a great success. I also extend my thanks to Mrs. N.S. Thomas for guiding us throughout the program. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents for supporting and encouraging our children to do their best. In the end, I would like to thank our budding mathematicians for putting their best and making this event a great success. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless us all. Over to you, Nitika ma'am.
Thank you,
Yes, ma'am.
Sunanda ma'am. Now comes the most awaited moment of today's evening. Yes, the time to know the results. I would request Nishtha ma'am to please announce the results.
Good evening, everyone. Children, I must say, you all did a fantabulous job. I applaud you all for this great effort and how gracefully you have accepted this new normal. And I thank the entire team who organized this wonderful event. And it would not have been possible without the guidance of our respected coordinator, ma'am, Mrs. Mona Ray. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for encouraging each and every one, all the team members, all the teachers. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so now coming on to the results, children, as I already mentioned, you all did so well. So let's begin with the team who got the first position. It's team F who's got the first position. Second position is scored by team E. But yes, there's a twist in the story as there is a tie between team A and team B. Nitika ma'am. So there's a tie of scores between team A and team B for the third position. So over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nishtha ma'am. So, dear participants, we have a tie between team A and team B. So we will have a tiebreaker. So I request only participants of team A and team B to turn on your videos, and all other participants kindly keep your videos and audios off. Participant A1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Participant A2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Participant A3, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Participant B1, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Participant B2, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Participant B3, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Dear participants, please listen to the following instructions. Kindly listen to the question carefully. You will get 10 seconds to answer. If you know the answer, kindly raise your hand. Whichever participant raises their hand first will get the chance to answer the question. Don't answer until the entire question has been read out, else you will be disqualified. For correct answer, you score +5, and for incorrect answer, you get -5. So participants, are we ready for the tiebreaker? Are we ready? Here we go. One more than the largest two-digit number is, okay, we give it to participant B1. Please tell the answer.
100, ma'am.
Yes, 100 is the correct answer. So team B, you get 5 bonus points. Nishtha ma'am, over to you.
Ma'am, with this, we get the third position is scored by team B. So again, first position is scored by team F, second position is scored by team E, and the third position with the tiebreaker question is scored by team B.
Congratulations to all the teams. Thank you, Nishtha ma'am, for the results.
Congratulations, everyone. Thank you
Students,
so much, ma'am.
students, you all have performed really well. Outstanding performance. I once again congratulate you all, and I appreciate all the parents and children for taking so much initiative to learn through this new online platform. Thank you everyone for joining us today and encouraging our students. Take care and stay safe. Thank you once again.